Your all-in-one business solution, Systeme.io. Hey there, entrepreneurs. Running an online business can feel like juggling a million things at once. That's where Systemeio comes in, your all-in-one platform designed to simplify and streamline your entire online business. Imagine having all the essential tools you need in one central location. Systeme.io makes this a reality, empowering you to focus on what truly matters, growing your business and serving your audience. Ready to take your online business to the next level? Navigating your command center, dashboard and menu. Once you log into Systeme.io, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, your central command center for managing your online business. Think of it as your personalized control panel where you can access all the platform's features with ease. The dashboard provides a quick overview of your business's performance, including key metrics such as contacts, sales, and email subscribers. You'll also find helpful shortcuts to frequently used features and recent activity, keeping you informed and in control. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see the main menu, your gateway to Systeme.io's comprehensive suite of tools. Each menu item represents a different aspect of your online business, from contacts and sales funnels to products and automation. The intuitive layout of the dashboard and menu makes navigation a breeze. Whether you're a tech-savvy entrepreneur or just starting out, you'll find Systeme.io's interface easy to use and understand. Organize your tribe, contact management, and tagging. Building strong relationships with your audience is crucial for any successful online business. Systeme.io makes it easy to manage your contacts and segment them into targeted groups for more effective marketing. The Contact section allows you to store and organize all your valuable leads and customers in one central location. You can add detailed information to each contact, such as their name, email address, purchase history, and more. To take your segmentation to the next level, Systeme.io offers a powerful tagging system. Tags are like labels that you can assign to your contacts based on their interests, behaviors, or any other criteria you choose. By tagging your contacts, you can create highly targeted email campaigns and sales funnels that resonate with specific segments of your audience. This personalized approach can significantly increase your conversion rates and build stronger relationships with your customers. Building your sales machine, funnels and templates. Sales funnels are the engine of any successful online business, guiding your leads through a series of steps that lead to a conversion. Systeme.io makes creating high-converting sales funnels simple and intuitive. With Systeme.io's drag-and-drop funnel builder, you can easily create different stages of your funnel, from capturing leads with opt-in pages to delivering valuable content and presenting irresistible offers. Don't worry if you're not a funnel expert. Systeme.io offers a library of customizable templates for various business goals, such as launching a product, growing your email list, or hosting a webinar. These templates provide a proven framework that you can tailor to your specific needs, saving you time and effort. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned marketer, Systeme.io's funnel builder empowers you to create automated sales processes that convert. Section 5. Email Powerhouse. Marketing and automation. Email marketing remains one of the most effective ways to connect with your audience, build relationships, and drive sales. Systeme.io provides all the tools you need to create engaging email campaigns and automate your email marketing efforts. You can easily create beautiful and responsive emails using Systeme.io's drag-and-drop email builder. Choose from a variety of templates or design your own from scratch to match your brand identity. Systeme.io's automation features take email marketing to the next level. You can set up automated email sequences that nurture your leads, onboard new customers, or follow up after purchases. By automating your email marketing, you can save time, personalize your communication, and ensure that you're staying in touch with your audience at every stage of their journey. Section 6. Content is King Blog Management made easy. Content marketing is essential for attracting your ideal audience, establishing your expertise, and driving traffic to your website. Systemeio simplifies blog management, allowing you to create and publish engaging content effortlessly. With Systemeio's built-in blog editor, you can write, format, and publish blog posts directly within the platform. No need for separate blogging platforms or complicated integrations. You can easily add images, videos, and other multimedia elements to your blog posts to make them more engaging and shareable. Systemeio also handles SEO optimization, helping your content rank higher in search results and reach a wider audience. Section 7. Show me the money, products, sales and payments. Systemeio makes it seamless to sell your products or services online, from setting up your product catalog to managing payments and delivering your digital goods. You can easily create and manage your products within Systemeio, whether you're selling physical products, digital downloads, online courses or memberships. Set your prices, create different pricing tiers, and offer discounts with ease. Systemeio integrates with popular payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal, allowing you to accept payments securely and conveniently. You can also set up recurring payments for subscriptions or payment plans. To boost sales and encourage purchases, Systemeio allows you to create discount coupons that you can share with your audience, offer percentage-based discounts, fixed amount discounts, or even free shipping to incentivize customers. Section 8. Recurring revenue and partnerships, subscriptions and affiliates. Building recurring revenue streams is a smart strategy for any online business. Systemeio makes it easy to manage subscriptions and cultivate profitable partnerships through its affiliate program features. You can easily create and manage subscription plans for your products or services using Systemeio's recurring billing system. Set your billing cycles, manage subscriber access, and track your recurring revenue effortlessly. Systemeio also provides robust affiliate management tools, allowing you to recruit affiliates, track their performance, and manage their commissions. Empower your partners to promote your products and expand your reach. Section 9. Building your network affiliate program management. Affiliate marketing can be a powerful way to grow your business by leveraging the networks of others. Systemeio provides comprehensive tools to help you manage your affiliate program effectively. You can easily create an affiliate program, set commission rates, and provide your affiliates with marketing materials to promote your products or services. Systemeio tracks affiliate sales and commissions automatically, ensuring accurate and timely payouts. To motivate your affiliates, you can set up tiered commission structures, offer performance bonuses, and provide ongoing support to help them succeed. Building a strong affiliate network can significantly expand your reach and drive more sales. Section 10. You're not alone. Systemeio support and resources. We understand that building an online business can be challenging, but you don't have to do it alone. Systemeio offers exceptional customer support and a wealth of resources to help you every step of the way. Their knowledgeable support team is available 24/7 to answer your questions, troubleshoot any issues, and provide guidance. You can reach out to them via email or live chat, ensuring that you always have access to assistance when you need it. In addition to their responsive support, Systemeio offers a comprehensive knowledge base, video tutorials and blog articles packed with valuable information, tips and best practices. These resources empower you to make the most of the platform and achieve your business goals. Section 11. Unleash your online potential. Take Systemeio for a spin. Ready to experience the transformative power of Systemeio for yourself? Sign up for their free trial and explore all the incredible features risk-free. You'll have access to all the essential tools you need to launch, grow, and scale your online business. With its user-friendly interface, powerful features, and affordable pricing, Systemeio is the perfect solution for entrepreneurs of all levels. Join the thousands of successful business owners who trust Systemeio to simplify their online operations and unlock their full potential. Don't wait any longer. Take action today and start building the online business of your dreams with Systemeio, your all-in-one platform for success.